In this example, we're going to look at substituting into formulae. So that's where we're given an expression and we're told what the letter represents. So in this example, we've got find the value of these expressions when a equals 4. The first one, the most simple, would be something like a plus 5. So what you're expected to do to find the value of it, that means find the answer, is replace the a with the value that you're told it is. So we're told a is 4, so we replace the a with 4. 4 plus 5 we know is 9, so the value is 9. Another example might be when you have to multiply, for example 3a. In maths, if we write a letter and a number side by side like this with nothing in between them, we really mean 3 times a. If a is 4, that means that's going to be 3 times 4, so your answer would be 12 for that one. And we can also get dividing ones. For example, a over 2. The fraction means divide, so this question really means 4 divided by 2. How many 2's are in 4? The answer is 2. We can also get slightly more complicated examples, including negative numbers. So in this example we're told x is 2, y is 3, and z is minus 5, and we need to find the value of the following. The first one, let's do 3x plus 4y. So 3x means 3 times x. So what this sum's really asking us to do is 3 times 2, because x is 2, and then add on 4 times y, and y is 3, so it's really 4 times 3. So what does that equal? Well, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 3 is 12, so our final answer would be 18 in that example. Another one that we might be asked to do is z take away 3. So for this one, z is a negative number, so we have to remember that whenever we put it into the expression. So z's minus 5, so replace the z with minus 5, and then we need to take away 3 from that. Minus 5 take away 3 gives us minus 8, or negative 8. Final example then, we might be asked to solve an expression such as 3 times y take away z. So in this one, there's actually two approaches to it. You could multiply out the bracket, like when we were simplifying, or you can substitute the values in first and then multiply the answer by 3. The 3 outside the bracket means whatever the inside the bracket works out to be, you have to multiply it by 3. So I'm going to do it the second way by replacing the things inside the bracket. So I know that y is 3, so that's going to be a 3, and I know that z is minus 5. Must take care here because this is a take away z, so we're going to take away minus 5. I'll put it in a bracket so that I'm aware of it. When we take away a negative number, we're really adding. So 3 add 5 is actually 8. So this bracket is really 3 on the outside times 8. So the final answer here would be 24. And that's substituting into formulae.